Okay, I'm testing out a camera mount, a new camera mount that I just put on the bike. Now, the one thing that is definitely causing a problem is the reflection off the windshield. You can see it, see? So, I also, if you notice that there's another camera mount here. This one is one of these telescoping style deals. Okay, that's on there, but let's just do a little quick test in the parking lot. I'm here at the townhome, so let's just do a little test. Okay, and you know, vibration is vibration, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do something here too. I'm just doing a test with this camera that I have versus getting ready to go get a GoPro. That's the only thing I'm thinking about right now. Okay, and it will not let me switch from forward to reverse camera. So if I touch anything, it's going to probably shut the video off. But let's just see. Let's just see. It's been raining here for 2 days. It just stopped about an hour ago. And anyway. And I don't have any riding gear on or anything like that. I'm just putting along here just to test this out. Also too, the bike is going into the shop on June the 4th for the oil leak and a new clutch. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Back at the Hacienda. And I did some other modifications to it also. Just bear with me. Let's see if I can get this thing off of here without causing a big ruckus with the camera. All right. Are we still running? Yes, we are. Okay, here's the new camera mount. Now this is just a phone. This is a phone mount, but this is a phone mount for video. Okay, because I can just compress it right on there, and this is to hold on to it. But obviously with this back plate right here, there's no way in the world you're going to do any video. Obviously that's just not going to work, because you have to hold the camera long ways, not up and not up and down. I don't want to do that because it'll distort. I've already had that happen before. And I've got, of course, this Bell drink holder here, which has been working real well. Yeah, but these are the three things that I've put on the bike so far. Okay, now number 4. Let me get off this thing without trying to kill myself. I'm in my flip-flops, but yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Goes up, click, goes up, click, and there you go. And one more time. So in reality, there you go. This is what you see on bikes all the time. You wonder, what the hell is that? Some sort of radio antenna or something? But no, this is how they mount their cameras, you know. And I had this was a selfie stick, so I figured, okay, let's put it to use since I don't use this particular selfie stick any longer, and see if it works. And it was perfect. And I, of course, zip tied the shit out of it right there. It ain't going nowhere. Okay, and here's another thing that I did. Is I was banging up my shins So I put this, basically, it's for wrapping pipes in the winter. And it worked out perfect. Zip tied it. And now this, in here, this is a little container that really is pretty cool, because what I've got in here is a base plate for the kickstand, okay? So if I'm in a soft area, I've got my plate, my plastic plate. There's a big plastic plate that I pull out and just stick it underneath here, okay? So there you go. And I'm just trying to rig up certain things. But like I said, because it's going into the shop on June the 4th, they said as long as they don't have to get the 2 seals from Germany, which there's a say they said it's a strong chance it's going to come from Germany, then the bike's going to be in the shop anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. But if they have all the parts, I can get the bike back in a week, 9 days, 7 to 9 days, and it's going to be between $1,300 and $1,400. So that's the story on that. I thought that was a pretty reasonable situation, since they're going to have to take the entire back end of the bike off. It's going to be literally stripped down. All this stuff is going to be removed. I've already removed the boxes, and I'm gonna take off the seat and just anything that I can that's just, they're not going to, just so they don't have to remove it and store it in their shop somewhere. I'll strip it down as much as I can before I take it to them. But I thought that was pretty cool little additions right there. And now I got to get a GoPro, because there's no way I'm going to let this camera be mounted on here, because basically I mount it right there, and that's how I do video, okay? But staring through that screen, which I got to have the screen, obviously, there is a big reflection. All right, I thought I'd show you this short little video. So I'm out of here. You know what to do. Love you guys.